Namaste everyone. Welcome to Usav Yoga YouTube channel. I am Deepak, professional yoga teacher. So मेरे दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा फ्लो लेके आया हूँ जिससे आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी अपना बेली फैट रिड्यूस करने में. योगा फॉर वेट लॉस. सो आप तैयार हैं? आर यू रेडी? लेट्स बिगिन आवर प्रैक्टिस. Okay, sit in a cross-leg position. Lift your chest up. Arms separate. Reach your arms up to the ceiling and look forward at a one single point. Stay here. Breathe. Okay, so now what you have to do, separate your arms all the way to the side. Okay, so आपने arms को side में लेके जाना है and make sure that your arms in the level of shoulder. And you are taking these fingers in and out. But your thumb should be stay back side. Just work on your forefinger. Squeeze and release faster. So this will warm your wrist joint. And this will create a good engagement in your whole arm. Okay, for 10, 9, 8, 7, yes, faster, 6, keep lifting the chest, 5, faster, 4, yes, keep going through, 2, and then 1, stay here, just feel the burning, just feel the engagement in your whole arm and try to separate your finger. Stay here for 5, breathe, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Inhale and exhale. Reach your arms up, interlacing the finger, and turn your inside palms out to the ceiling. Stay here for 5, 4, finger tightly interlace and push your inner palms up. 3, 2, and then 1. Slowly release the palm to the knee. Okay, आगे चलते हैं अभी. So let's go. From this position, you're going back in a tabletop position. Come up on your palm, come up on your knee. Tuck your toes in. With an inhalation, reach your heart forward and out. Exhale, make a hunch in your back. Inhalation forward. Exhalation, make a hunch. Inhalation forward. Exhale, make a hunch. Inhalation forward. Yes, stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, make a hunch. Again, stay for 3, 2, and 1. Tuck your toes in. Lift your knees off the floor. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe. And come in forward in a high plank position. Look down in between of the both palm. Fingers separate. Again go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again come in forward high plank. Again go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again come in forward high plank. Stay here for 10. For 9. Yes, 8. 7. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And then drop your knees to the ground. Inhale, reach your arms up to the ceiling. Both arms all the way up. Hold your waist with your right palm. And exhale, bend your trunk to the left side. Okay? So first reach your both arms up, hold your waist with your left palm, and exhale, bend your trunk all the way to the left side. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. Reach your arms up. Again, right palm, hold the weight, left arm up, take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend your trunk to the left side. Stay here for 5. Push your quads forward. 4. Go more deeper. 3. And 1. Come back to the center. Both arms up. And this time, tuck your toes in, lift your knees off the floor. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step forward, Ardha Uttanasana, lengthen. Yes, stay here, breathe. And if you can, join your palm together in front side of your chest, shift your weight to this left knee and right foot point back, like this. Stay for 3, 2 and 1. Again drop your right foot down, shift to the right, left foot point back. Keep joining your palm. If you can't find a balance, you can also place a fingertip. No worry. Stay for 5, 4, 3 and then 1. Inhalation Ardha Uttanasana. Again drop your palm, go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale Bhujangasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale Bhujangasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale Bhujangasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step your foot to the front, Ardha Uttanasana. Hold here. Hold for 3, 2 and 1. Again drop your palm. Go back Adho Mukha Svanasana and come in forward in a high plank position. Lift your right leg up into the air. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Drop. Pause here for 3, 2 and 1. Inhale again to the left for 5, 4, lift, 3, 2 and 1. Go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step your foot to the front, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhalation Uttanasana. Inhale, raise your arms up to the ceiling, Urdhva arms up. Exhalation, bend down, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, lengthen. Drop your palm to the yoga mat, go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, lie down to the yoga mat and lift your leg from behind. Raise the arms back and lift your chest up, Salabhasana. Stay for 5. More higher, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Again release, press the palm, Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes in and directly go back and lift up, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up into the air. Right knee, right tricep. Again go back, second time right knee, right tricep. Again go back, 3-leg dog, right foot forward in between of the both palm. Inhalation, arms up, high lunge. Okay, so this we call the warrior one, we also call, but your back heel should be lifted. But make sure this length should be wide, so then you can maintain the space. So your space should be well maintained. Arms up. Stay here for 3, 4, 2 and 1. Exhalation, drop your palm to the ground and again go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left leg up, left knee, left tricep. Again go back, second time left knee, left tricep. Again go back, left foot forward in between of the both palms. And with an inhalation, sharpness, arms up in a high lunge. Maintain the trunk at the center. Stay for 3, 2 and 1. Exhalation, drop your palm. Go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, high plank. Again stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 1. Drop your knee. Stand on your knee. Reach your arms up, exhale, bend your trunk to the left side. Again stay for 3, 2 and 1. Come back, arms up, exhale, bend to the right. Again stay for 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhalation, drop your palm to the yoga mat. Tuck your toes in, lift your knees off the floor. Step your foot to the front, Ardha Uttanasana, lengthen. This time send your glutes back and arms up to the ceiling. in a chair position. Stay for 5, 4, 3, and 1. Drop your palm, go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, lift your right leg up into the air. Right foot to the front, inhalation, arms up in a high lunge. Arms up to the ceiling. Breathe. Exhalation, drop your palm to the yoga mat. Again, right leg back into the air. Right knee, right tricep. Again, go back. Second time, right knee, right tricep, and stay here for 5, 4, 3, and 1. Go back in a high plank position. Drop your knee. Lift up the chest, Bhujangasana, and lie down to the ground. Lift up the legs, Salabhasana, and stay for 5, 4, 3, and 1. Press. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Come up, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Left foot forward in between of the both palm. Inhalation, arms up in a high lunge. Breathe. And with an exhalation, drop your palm. Go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana, 3-leg dog. Left knee, left tricep. Again, go back. Second time. Left knee, left tricep. Again, go back. Last time, left knee, left tricep. Hold for 5, 4, 3, and 1. Inhale, Bhujangasana. And lie down, Sarabhasana. Lift up. Stay for 5, 4, 3, and 1. Release. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale. Sit down in a Vajrasana. And reach your arms up and then fingers in and out here. Try to release the tension from the wrist joint. For 10. Faster. Faster. 9, 8, 7. Faster, faster, faster. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Okay, from this position, you are lying down all the way to the back side. From this position, you are bending the knees. Lift up the leg 90 degree. Place your palms beside of your hips. Hips के बगल में रखो. And जो आपका thumb है, big thumb, this thumb should be touched to the buttock side. Again, with an exhalation, drop your legs nearby the ground. Okay, but your legs will not touch to the ground. Just keep maintaining a distance. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knees, cross your leg, roll your body, and sit down in a cross leg position. And relax, relax, relax. Breathe. यहाँ पे 5 मिनट तक रिलैक्स करना है, ठीक है? After completing the relax, you can hold your knees with your both palm and just make a circle with the trunk. इससे आपकी सारी टेंशन दूर हो जाएगी आपकी कमर की. So just try to make a circle with the trunk. Breathe. Just breathe. So धीरे धीरे आपका वेट लॉस होगा, ऊपर से, नीचे से, आगे से, बैक साइड से. So just try to move this. Okay, change to the other side. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा अगर आप इस फ्लो को रोज करते हैं. Trust me. Just do it, this flow regular, okay? You will find a lot of difference in your body. Okay, from this position, I'm showing you my side. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. Left palm, right knee, right fingertip behind, and twist and look back. But पीछे नहीं गिरना है, ठीक है? So I'm not falling back side. So just place with the help of this finger. Stay at the center. Come back, arms up, again change. Again back to the center, again to the right side. Again back to the center, change to the left side. Inhale back to the center, and this time bend down to the front. Walk forward. And आराम से वापस. And relax. And you can also do a shavasana. It is up to you. अगर आप अपने अंदर बेनिफिट देखना चाहते हैं, वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं, तो मैं चाहता हूँ इस फ्लो को आप डेली करें, रेगुलर करें. फॉर मोर सच टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज, कमेंट us below. Namaste.